This is absolutely perfect for you. It's a new apartment complex being built in Auckland. It's called One St. Stephen's. It's 27 apartments, 6 floors, very high-end, very luxury stuff, but it's got a special little secret about it. That the parking basement, 2 stories underground for parking. It's been specially designed by the Giltrap Group.
Oh, yes.
To get supercars in.
Right.
Because the Giltrap Group, when they built their new headquarters a couple of years back on Great North Road, had to specially design the ramp for access for supercars. And so they've done the same thing for this apartment complex. Every apartment comes with 2 car parks or 3, depending on how much you want to spend, except for the penthouse called The One, which comes, let me get this description right, showroom garaging with 6 oversized car parks and the option for more if the owner's collection requires it.
Wow, fantastic.
So it's a very nice looking apartment complex. But
it's still underground? It's not one of those ones that'll lift your car up into your lounge?
No, it's not quite one of those. Well, that'd be cool.
Imagine that at my place, eh?
That's incredible. I haven't been to the apartment block, but I've been to the Giltrap building, obviously, and the ramp there is incredible.
Is amazing.
It's like a wave that just goes up. There's no, because I hate it when I scrape my supercar bumper.
Yeah, me too. I was just thinking if I owned one of those apartments that had the lift, imagine that, the Kia Carnival coming
up on the floor,
in the lounge. Look at my Kia Carnival.
And the kids could just eat in the carnival and not come into the house.
That's exactly it.